How can you use the iPhone camera text reading? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. First of all, go to your main settings app of the iPhone and part of the general section, try to see the language and region section. So you get in there, and at the bottom there is one toggle which is titled Live Text. So you can see you can select text and images or copy them for, more action. So that is important to have it turned on. And now, anytime you want to just capture an image and it contains some sort of text, you'll be able to just open it within the gallery like that. And you can just hold down on the text and you'll be able to select it, right? That's one way. Or click on the button, which is like in the bottom right corner for the text, and it will highlight all of the available text on the image, and you'll be able to copy it or do whatever, right? So that is something that you need to have enabled, as I've shown you at the beginning, and it will appear right here, and you'll be able to get the text from any of your photos and stuff in your gallery. However, if you would like to get that in real time and even for other languages, in that case, it's best to get a Translate app. So you have the Apple Translate, you have the Google Translate. Personally, I prefer the Google one because you can get it from the App Store and you can switch to the camera view, right? And you'll be able to just point your camera directly at the text and it will translate it in real time, right? So you'll be able to just get it to work even without capturing the image, right? And it's ideal for some on-the-go situations or especially when traveling. This is very useful, so I use it all the time. Now, let me know in the comments below if that is the thing you had in mind. If I helped you out, hit the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And subscribe for more so you don't miss tutorials and explanations like this. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you soon.